Hey guys, me Mario. Today we're back in Sodor profile, and this profile is for James the number 500. I'll tell you who is James the number 500. James is a splendid engine that with a gold dome, with a black lines and gold lines. It has a number 5 with black wheels. But sometimes James gets in trouble when James, you think in the TV show James was originally red, but when James came into Sodor, he was black with wooden brake locks with a black dome, but has the number 5. And he has wooden brake locks that caught on fire. That James got some help from Thomas, and that's how he got painted red. But other chains that came in real life is not as black. But I know you're commenting, those are real life James still exist. I'll show you the real life James. There. James is an LNS as railroad engine. And they are black, but I don't know, they don't have wooden brake locks. But look, that height looks like James's. Only some of these engines are built in the 90s, and they were built in the LNS railways. And their whole passenger trains and trucks. That's like the same jobs like James did in the TV show. I'll tell you what happened to them. They were replaced with stupid old diesel locomotives because they're black, not red. But in the 90s, they're scrapped. They're not, don't exist today. But the real life James scrapped. There's a color one. Here's this engine that is James. A little bit like Edward, but no. And they pull passenger trains. The number plate says 461, but I don't see them. No, but it's bright. There's only one of them were survived. So there's only one. Let's say feel like James still exists, and build a new James that he can ride. It has a face. This James had been a splendid engine and to be. Hold on, guys. So you can see James in a splendid red engine. Bye, guys.